Diagwid YouTube. Comes to talk to. I know I said in my earlier video that I was going to go climbing, but my climbing partner forgot, so I'm not terribly sad about it. I'm trying to take it easy this week. At the same time, I want to go running, maybe do a little bit of parkour. I'm going to try and go swimming on Saturday. I'm taking scouts swimming on Sunday. So much for taking it easy. But I spent about an hour and a half afterwards wandering around town trying to get to a certain mobile phone network retail outlet to get my phone sent in for repair. Because I don't know about the rest of you guys, but the battery clasp shouldn't open that easily. And I just have to pull a little bit and the whole lot comes off. Now it probably won't come off in my pocket. When you're putting it back on, you have to press down at 4 specific pressure points on each side to create a watertight seal, and then you lock it again. Now I don't know about you, but on my previous phone, couldn't do it with my finger. Had to have a coin. And I'm pretty sure, as far as I remember, this phone is only 27 days old. I remember it being a little bit harder to open and close when I unpacked it first time. Anyway, so I went to 4 different outlets in the city of this specific mobile phone retailer, and I said, look, I want to send it off. They said, that's fine, it'll take about a week. We have to send it out to a repair centre on the west Dublin. East, sorry, it's that way. Yeah, east. Anyway, it'll take about a week. I said, that's fine, can have a phone in the meantime. They said, oh, sorry, no, we don't have any phones at the moment. They're all out. Now, this specific mobile phone retailer has 4 in the city centre, has 4 branches in the city centre. 1 out near me, and there are another 11 in the county of Dublin. These are official ones. That's not including their affiliated stores. So, that's a third of the stores in the county don't have phones in one day. I'm kind of a little bit... It leads me to ask how many other people are having problems with their phones. You know. Anyway, this is just my little rant about it, basically, because I got so fed up. I have my receipt, I have the box, I have everything that came in the box, I have the phone. I wanted a replacement phone. They said, that's fine, we can give you one, but we still have to send it off for repair. It's part of our policy. I wanted a refund. They said, oh, sorry, we have to send it off to verify that there's a fault in the phone before we can give you a refund. I said, yeah, that's fine, great. I'm 99% sure, not 95% sure, that it's against my statutory rights for them to say that I am entitled to a refund if the product doesn't meet my satisfaction. And they said, well, yes, you are kind of right, but our policy says that it has to be in its packaging, intact. So I have to basically buy the phone, and then if I decide an hour or 2 later, or a day later, as long as I haven't taken it out of its packaging, they can have it back. They'll take it back, they'll give me my money. But because I've opened it, because I've used it, I said, oh no, we can't do that, sorry. So, this is just going to be my little rant. I'm going to put it up on YouTube and put it up on Facebook. And you can tell me, I'm not as knowledgeable about my statutory rights as a customer as I used to be. I have studied it once or twice when I was in college and school, but it's something I'll look up myself anyway. And I'm just really pissed off, basically. Although in saying that, one guy did say to me, look, you know, they might still take it for repair if it's out of its 28-day warranty, because it comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. So, you know, if that's the case, bring it in a week, we might have a phone to give you, you know. So, I'll see. I'll keep at them. But that was the other thing he said, one of the other guys said to me in another store, was that if I brought it out to the repair place myself, they'd charge me for looking at it and repairing it. They could do it in a couple of hours, but they'd charge me for it. And if it's faulty and not worth repairing, which, well, let's face it, they just have to put a new back on it, make sure that the locking mechanism is working, you know. But if it needed replacement, they could decide to void the warranty altogether, because it's me going in on my own steam rather than sending it through the retailer to send to them. So I would be charged and could potentially lose my warranty for cutting out the middleman. How stupid is that? So, anyway, I'm ranting. This video has probably got up to about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, so I apologise. So that's that, I'm ranting. I'm gonna try and get up my video about the Serving in Silence book. I'm gonna edit it into a 2-parter and put it up. I kinda don't want to edit it down as much more than that, because there's a lot in it and I can't think of any shorter ways to say what I've said in it. So that's that. Raibh agat, agus slán.